Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered what to eat with your white rice? No more wondering. Today I am going to show you how to make some delicious black bean sauce. Stay tuned. Welcome to Robie's Cuisine. In this channel, I share my cooking, baking, and healthy food tips recipes with you. So if you are as passionate as I am about cooking and you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the notification bell to stay up to date with all the new videos. We put out a new video every Friday to get you ready for the weekend. This black bean sauce recipe is full of essential nutrients. It's also tasty and very easy to do. Let's go over the ingredients. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt as desired, 2 tablespoons of Haitian mixed spices. If you don't know about the Haitian mixed spices, I highly encourage you to check out the link of that video in the description box. I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons of Lilly butter, 2 cups of black beans, 3 sticks of carrots and celery, 1 minced shallot, meaning that we're gonna cut it in very small pieces, 1 scotch of bonnet peppers stuck with cloves, and a beautiful bouquet of fresh parsley and cilantro. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! The first thing we want to do is to go ahead and boil our black beans. I have my pot. I approximately have 12 cups of water. I already rinsed my 2 cups of black beans. Go ahead and add the black beans into your pot. We want to go ahead and add our celery and carrots into the water. And you can go ahead and add some salt. So we are going to put our pot on the stove, and it's gonna take approximately an hour and 15 minutes to cook. So let's go ahead and do that. Our black beans is boiling. It's been an hour. It's almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and add 5 more cups of water, just so I have enough water to blend the black beans. And I'm gonna let it cook for another 15 minutes. Now we are going to blend our black beans. I went and removed 3 spoonfuls of black beans just because I don't like to blend everything. I'm gonna put it on the side. Now we are going to drain our black beans and use the same water to blend it. Just follow along with me. Let's start by adding our olive oil, 1 tablespoon. So add our minced shallot. Let's go ahead and add our 2 tablespoons of Haitian mixed spices. Go ahead and add our beans. If you save some, if you blend everything, that's totally fine. 2 tablespoons of Lilly butter. 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning powder. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I am not going to add any salt right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the black bean mixture. Go ahead and add your bouquet of parsley and cilantro and your scotch bonnet pepper. All you have to do is let it boil until it's done. It's been 20 minutes. Our black bean sauce is almost ready. How can you tell? When it's ready, it's gonna become a thicker consistency. As you can see, it's already getting thicker. You wanna go ahead and taste your black bean sauce. All right, I taste it. I like the seasoning, it's good. So I am not going to add any salt in it. I am just gonna leave it for another 10 minutes and then it'll be ready. This is the final result of our black bean sauce. And if you get value out of this video, please make sure you like it and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to check out my white rice video. I'm gonna put the link in the description box and in the YouTube cards. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another video of Robie's Cuisine. Bon appétit.